First up, Hero Honda. Anil Dua from Hero Honda is with me now. Anil, morning. First, can you confirm some market share figures for us? Your market share improved through through the early part of 2009 and late 2008. But is it true that it's actually come off from a peak of 63% to 58% now?
No, actually, if you see the shares for this year, YTD, which is 9 months of 2009-10, we have grown by about 25%, whereas the industry has grown by 20%. So, of course, we've improved market share. But even if you look at the month of December, which is the latest data, instead of YTD, even if you were to look at the last month, we've grown our volumes by 74%, whereas the market has grown by about 50 to 60%. So again in December we further increased our market share. So I think 63% figure that you might be referring to maybe one odd month or so, but overall our market share has been steadily increasing and is close to 59%.
That is not consistent with what most trade data seems to be indicating, Anil. You're giving us 9-month consolidated market share. I'm asking whether in November and December your market share is actually a good 5% lower than the peak market share that you were operating at.
As I said, Udayan, compared to a specific month sometime, you know, when the industry might have done very badly and therefore we might have had an artificially high market share. Compared to that, you know, the figures can read very differently. But even in December, as I'm saying, when you grow faster than the market, you gain share. Since you're asking me specifically on last 2 months, yes, we've gained share in these 2 months.
Is it not true that Bajaj Auto has reclaimed some market share from you over the last few months?
See, I won't comment on specific competition. I can comment on overall industry. You know, we've not lost market share, but that does not mean that other players might not have gained market share. They might have gained market share at expense of yet other players, but we've also gained market share. And the two numbers that I've told you, the full year numbers, which are 25% growth of Hero Honda versus about 20% growth of industry, and the December number, 74% growth of Hero Honda versus about 60% growth of the industry, both indicate that we have been gaining share throughout this year and indeed in the last month as well.
Would you concede that competition has become much more aggressive than, and I'm not referring to one player alone out here, than you've enjoyed throughout 2008 and the early part of 2009, and to that extent you might have to take some more measures to protect your market share this year in 2010?
If you look at your archives, I think you had asked me the same question last year as well, because you see, the one thing about this industry is that it's been highly competitive all these years. Last year there were other kind of launches, other kind of effort by competition. If you recall, 125cc had become a very, very active topic of debate, and 100cc of Hero Honda was coming under fire from so-called 125cc onslaught. And at that time also the same question was being asked if the competition has become very intense. But as you know, we managed to go over that very handsomely and indeed gain a huge market share. We are used to competition in the 100cc segment. It's been there every year in one form or other, and we are ready to take on any competition even now.
Do you think you will need to take on any kind of discount strategy or price cuts through 2010 to hold on to your market share?
I don't think so. I think our brands have tremendous pricing power. One of the things that we've done is that we build our brands solidly, we've invested behind them, and one of the hallmarks of our strategy has been that if you look at it over the last 2 years, there's been not a single price cut or a single promotion that we have run. In fact, that's the reason for our solid bottom line performance as well. And I see no reason why we should not be able to stay the course even in the year to come.
What are you expecting to close the year with, Anil, in terms of total vehicle sales by March 31st?
If you recall, we had said that we'll be crossing 4 million units, and I think last time I had said we'll be crossing 4 million handsomely. I can safely say that, you know, we've been doing about 1.1 million every quarter, and we should be repeating that. So we should be, you know, handsomely crossing 4 million, maybe 4.4 or so.
So your target is 4.5 million now for the full year, by the time the year is out?
No, the target, if you remember, was actually to cross 4 million because when this year started, if you remember, the economy was looking down and out and things were pretty low. We had done 3.7 million last year and we'd said that, we should go for more than 10% growth, which would have translated to about 4.1 million or so. I'm happy to see that we should be crossing that target also handsomely and probably crossing 4.4 million.
Any apprehensions that 2010 might be a slightly more tricky year for demand, particularly if some of the demand or stimulus withdrawal happens as people are expecting? How much of your growth last year do you think was because of those factors which may not give you the kind of tailwind this time around?
No, that will certainly be a concern for the industry. If you see, the industry had grown by only 3% the previous year and it has bounced back this year on back of the stimulus measures. So industry as a whole may come under pressure if the stimulus packages were to be rolled back. But I think, the recovery is still nascent. I think there is a lot of concern of not withdrawing growth-oriented measures. I think there may be pressure to do a bit, but I don't think, it will be well advised to roll back the whole stuff in one go. I think slowly there may be some rollback and over a long period of time, we may see some kind of a going back to original position. So if it is done in a slow and steady way, I don't see a concern. But if it's done suddenly, then there may be concern. But given the very low penetration of two-wheelers in India, I think the long-term trend is very healthy. Yes, short-term there could be some swings because of these macro measures.
Do you think you'll be able to hold on to margins at Hero Honda this year, given the way material prices seem to have moved up?
Yes, material prices have been showing an upswing and that is something which we're watching very closely. So far we haven't really repriced our products, but if the need arises, I think Hero Honda brands are best placed. They have the pricing power. We can take up our prices if the overall industry prices are moving up, and that should help us preserve our margins.
How much additional capacity do you see coming in 2010 from the Haridwar plant expansion?
See, the Haridwar plant rated capacity is now 1.8 million and, we had done 6.6 lakh last year. So certainly we won't be using the full capacity this year, but certainly we'll be producing a substantial number. We're currently at 4,500 a day. We should be moving up to 5,500 a day by the end of the year. So on capacity front, between the three plants, we are well over 5 million and therefore pretty comfortable on that.
Thanks, Anil, for joining in today. That's Hero Honda saying that they are no strangers to competition and they should be able to hold their own market share in 2010. They see no great threat to their leadership position or their market share.